Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the lip sync delay issues on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, press the settings button that is right below the power button on your remote control, then open settings, open all settings, and all settings select sound, and then in sound let's go to expert settings. And here what you have to do is enable the video and then enable digital output audio delay and manually adjust the value on this slider using left and right arrow keys so that the delay is minimal. You can also go to the last option in this menu and which is reset sound. Select it and reset all sound settings on your device and see if it helps you. Besides, you can also go to connection, go to game mode settings and enable game mode on your device, but it's only available if you have either a TV or an external HDMI source selected on your device. So let's select HDMI source. Now let's go to settings, all settings, connection, game mode, and enable game mode, which will decrease the latency on your TV, which can also help you solve this problem. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.